Here's a demonstration of the app called Payrange. You start the app, gives you a welcome, your name, and the actual vending machine that he's in front of pops up on the Android phone.
S6 Edge Plus, that is.
On the S6 Edge Plus. We're going to go for the Ruffles 110 for $1.
And what we do here, just ready, swipe up. I'm going to go here to the credit. Swipe up. It's connecting. Credit already displays on the screen. 0.
And there we have it.
There you have it. And then at the end, it says transaction completed. And I'm going to order another thing right quick. I'm going to get another bag. Swipe up. Connecting. Doesn't matter where your phone is at. We do here. Same thing. Enter selection. Credit. 0. Cleared it, and there you go. And to show it, transaction completed. Done.
That video seemed blurred. That looked kind of blurred to me. I don't know why.
So yeah, it sucks. The only thing is you have to just turn on your location, your NFC, which is fine.